Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's your boy lensboitoys, and yes, I purchased the Sentinel Prime. There was one left at Osam, so I purchased it last weekend. That means today we're going to be reviewing the Transformers 1 Classic Class Sentinel Prime by Blokees. Okay, so as I said in my previous videos, I like all the characters in Transformers 1, but I'm not really into Sentinel Prime. But yeah, last weekend, me and my family, we went to Osam, and there's one left at the shelf, so I thought, yeah, just get him. It looks kind of cool though, from the box. I know I'm a bit late, but hopefully this review would help you, especially for those of you who are thinking of buying him but haven't had the chance to, or you're still waiting on some particular reason. But yeah, so here's Sentinel Prime. Now here's the box. Typical Blokees, as always, really nice box art. Okay, it says here Classic Class 14, and here's how it looks like from the back. It has all the details you need. Really nice artwork right here and also down here. I think it's a 3D render, but supposedly the end result should look alike. Okay, and it gives you the pictures of the runners here as always, and yeah, here it is from the other side. It shows you what you get in the box, and hopefully there's no QC issues, because what I'm afraid of, like when unboxing Blokees, is I'm scared that there's a quality control issue, probably missing parts, or probably we have 2 left legs or 2 right legs, or 2 right arms, 2 left arms with no right. Well, we'll see later. Okay, so enough about the box. Let's crack this thing open. Here, it looks even nicer without the plastic wrap. Great job, Blokees. Your box art never fails. So let's take a look at the content that you're getting. First plastic, second plastic, third, fourth, fifth. Wow, there's quite a lot. Sixth and seventh. I think this is the last one. Yep. Then after that, you get the instructions on how to change the batteries. As always, don't lose it, because if your LED is dead, you might have to change the battery, and instead of looking for tutorials, you can just check the instructions. And last but not least, the most important part for me, the instruction sheet, because I'm gonna need this 100%. Okay, now that we're done unboxing it, I'm gonna build the figure, but as always, I'm not gonna record myself building it because it's gonna take me a long time. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll come back once I'm done. Okay, so here is Sentinel Prime. Gosh, this thing is a beauty. It took me around 45 to 50 minutes building this, and to be honest, I'm pretty stoked with the details. I mean, take a look at it. I mean, for a $10 figure, come on, man, this is this is amazing. Great job, Blokees. As you can see, Sentinel is in his battle mode right now. Why? Because I like it like this. And if you take a look at the face, yeah, it's in combat mode. Basically, you get this little piece over here, this little blue piece. This is like actually the chin part. Hope you can focus. Hope my camera focuses well, because this thing is really tiny, so make sure that you don't lose it. So basically, if you swap the mask with this piece, he will look like he does in the box right here. Okay? Yep, but I like him in his combat mode a lot better. And you also get these awesome weaponry, both for the left and the right leg in his combat mode. I tried taking, well, this actually goes here, in this gold piece right here. So basically you take it off and then you put this on here on both sides of the feet. But I'm having a problem taking this off because the plastic is very thin, so I don't want to break it, and it's kind of it's kind of hard taking it off, so I don't want to break the figure. So I'm sorry I couldn't show it to you. It's actually for both the left and the right leg. Should look awesome when it's there. Yeah, you get these two pieces, and of course you also get the, I don't know what you call this, I think, would you call it the thruster? The thrust that you can replace the feet with. So if you want him to be in like flying mode, like he is in this box right there, you could swap the leg, I'm sorry, you can swap the feet, the ankle here, with these two thrusters. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. Yep, and it also comes with a pair of open hands like this. Okay, you got a pair of these, and it also comes with a pair of gripping hands. The purpose of the gripping hand is for him to be able to hold the double-edged sword that he has right here. Okay, so I'm having that on, and then on the other side I took off his his hand, so it's in cannon mode right now. Okay, and you also get the pink shield, and there's a cool weapon right here that you put on the shield, and yeah, it just looks very awesome. And along with this you also get the stand base, of course. Okay, so it looks really nice. So let's go on with the articulation. Now for the hand part, it goes to the side really well, like that. So the shoulder piece here actually does not get in the way, so it works for both arms. Very good. And then for the elbow, it's got 90 degrees, slightly less than 90 degrees because this piece is a bit thick right here. So yeah, but it's enough for robot figures, I'm guessing. And also for the hand, it can actually rotate 360, but again, this weaponry here actually gets in the way of the articulation. It bumps with the wing right there. So you actually could, if you take the wing off, but he looks a lot cooler like this. Okay, and then for the waist, it's pretty limited because of this huge skirt, this blue skirt right here. It gets in the way of him rotating 360. Okay, there's no ab crunch whatsoever, and he kicks to the front really well, really far. Okay, and it also has a 90 degree, slightly more than 90 degree knee joint right here. Okay, and it kicks to the back. Oops. Let me just put this on. All right, and it kicks to the back this far. Okay, sorry, it kicks to the back this far, kicks to the front this much. Okay, and yeah, it also has a thigh swivel right here, just right above the knee, and then also the ankle rocker is pretty good. You can rock it outwards and inwards as well, and it goes down this much because this piece is a bit big, so it actually gets in the way, and it goes up that much. So yeah, that's for the articulation. And also for the head is very limited because you have this two piece right here, like next to the head. It kind of hinders the articulation, so it only looks up this much. It doesn't look down at all, doesn't looks to the side that much. Very limited. And of course it's a classic class, so if you tap it, the eyes light up. So let me just turn off the light and see if you can see it. Gosh, hold on. Boop. You can't really see it, but yeah. But the Bedacitrons one is really good. It lights up really well. I guess this one just doesn't. Yeah, but still, it's a cool figure. Okay, so that's for the articulation, and also for the wings. It's on a ball peg, so basically, yeah, it rotates in all directions. Oops. Bam. Okay, so basically you can pose them in whatever pose you want. It goes upwards, downwards, and then, yeah, the motion is very, very good. Okay, yeah, so this is Sentinel Prime. Really good figure. Great job, Blokees. Yeah. So now that we're done with the articulation, let's compare them with other classic class figures. Okay, so here is Sentinel Prime with Starscream. Gosh, they both look really, really good. But I can see that, as you can see, Sentinel Prime is a bit taller, slightly taller than Starscream, which makes sense. I think it's pretty accurate to the movie. And yeah, if you haven't seen my review of Starscream, just check out the link up here. Okay, so here is how he is with Starscream. Looks pretty good. And this is Sentinel Prime with Badassatron. Towers him by, I don't know, about 2 centimeters or something. Oh, guys, check him out. The LED is just perfect on this guy. Yeah. And now here is Sentinel Prime with Alita 1. Now here he is with Optimus Prime. And lastly, here he is with Megatron. So, yeah, all cool figures. I love them all. Now that we're done comparing, let's get to the photo session. Okay, so that's about it with Sentinel Prime. At first I didn't like this character, well, based on the movie. I watched it, didn't like the character, and then when they announced that they're making the classic class Sentinel Prime, I chose to not get it because I'm just not interested. But after getting it, man, this is an excellent figure. Just like the other classic class model, they're always awesome. Okay, great job, Blokees, once again. Okay, so for those of you who are thinking about getting this figure but haven't, get it now because you won't regret it. It's an awesome figure. All right, so this is the end of my review. I'll see you guys again on my next toy review or probably toy photography tutorials. And yeah, until then, stay healthy and God bless. See ya.